we look for two things. First is the smoke alarm. Every house should have at least two working smoke alarms. Either in this case, in this house, we got at the front entrance. We'll look on the green lights. It's working, it's on, that's perfect. We take a photo and put in the report. Smoke alarm was working at the time of inspection. That's it. If in case we got any doubt or it's beeping or giving a red light, it means that it's not working or the battery needs to be replaced. So what we do, we go up and press it for a check. Perfect, it's in a working condition. And then we come inside the house, we look around for the second smoke alarm.